We've just done the whole setting up of the device, and that means we can start using the app. So let's take a look at the main screen of the app. So if you now open the app, you will always see the screen which has the programs on the left and the volume buttons on the right. So if I need to have slightly more volume, I can press the volume up button, or I can press the volume down button, and then you can already see the difference. And if you have two devices connected, it will have these two separate sliders, one for the left and one for the right. So you can even change on which side you want to have which volume. So if somebody really annoying is sitting to the left side, you can just turn the left side all the way down. That's convenient, isn't it? But yeah, jokes aside, that's the volume part, and you can also press those buttons to move it up and down. The other thing which is very useful is the programs. So if I go to the programs, I can see the different programs that I have. And the first program that's currently on is the automatic program. And that means that the device will do its best to detect in what sort of environment are you. Is it very noisy, or are you outside? And then it will automatically adapt it to you. And well, let's say you're sitting at home and you just want to watch television and you want to have a nice, clear and natural sound. Then you can put it on into program number 2, called the quiet program. So that just does amplifying the sound, and it doesn't do much with cancelling out noise. But it can also happen that you want to have a conversation with 2 or 3 people, and there is some noise in the background and you just want to get rid of that. So what do I do then? I change it to the conversation mode. There's the conversation mode. Or if you're in a really noisy place like a restaurant, you can even change it to the restaurant mode. And on this restaurant mode, we will have the maximum noise suppression. And the other thing that's happening is it's using the double microphones to detect from which direction sound is coming from. So it will detect, and it will try and listen only to sound coming from the front and not from sound coming from the side, from the other table. So if you want to eavesdrop on people, you have to go back onto your quiet, or you will have to turn your head, because that's the sound, that's the direction it's going to be recording in. So that's the main part of the app, changing the programs and changing the volumes, but there's more to show you.